Today is Thursday, 7th July. Welcome to Marketverse, where we're simplifying investing with our AI agents. The screen right now, what you see is the Profit Navigator, which I'll come and explain. But again, my flow, you go in and see today's markets overview. I want to see the macro market overview, how the markets are doing. You start with Fear Greed Index, which is 55. It's somewhere in there. It's still not pretty upbeat. S&P, how it's performing, it's still up. This week has been a little bit iffy, as I said, because we have a lot of inflation fear that's rising. There's trade wars going on. Markets are all-time high. One small wrong step and the markets might go down. So I'm very cautious this week. We'll see how the next week would look like, as most of the tech earnings has passed. Great earnings last whole week with Microsoft, Nvidia, and some others. So overview, you see Nasdaq, especially, it's up 1.25%. Commodities, gold and silver prices are rising. That's a great hedge against inflation. In Marketverse, you can trade commodities as well. Strong retail sales, upcoming event, macros. I'm just eyeballing and looking at how everything looks like. This part I love. I'm a very big picture guy, and I would love to see Fear Greed Index, where the labor markets is, the geopolitical situation, any actionable observations. Consider long-term bonds as reference play against the yield curve in. Let's see the yield curve. All right, we'll go to the yield curve. Yield curve has not inverted yet. This is June, and the short term versus long term, it's still not there. You see, we passed like in last couple of. We're enhancing some of the features, but now I want to share you the short term opportunities report, which I every day look at. This is an exclusive report that is being generated by Marketverse. So if you want to sign up for Marketverse exclusive membership, you'll get this report. Before the market opens, we provide you with these top 15 opportunities, and you're able to see how they're performing in the market as well. The top three, Duolingo, you see Duolingo is going, you can see Robinhood, Robinhood, Duolingo has been crazy up, probably. This is pre-market, and this is when the market's open, but still it went up. You have this, I don't even know, Remitly Global, digital finance, okay? So it's to send money, they're up too. I want to highlight the AMD because I had some stocks that I bought last week as part of this testing for AMD, and AMD is quite up today. What? It can be true. 4.7. Yeah. If I was like, wow, 194% or whatever, right? My today's returns are that much. I had some investments in AMD. We were bullish at AMD in the long term because even if you see the stuff I was sharing in the dashboard, this feature is a profit navigator feature. I was going in Iris experience where I was showing you everything about in the chat, but you go on Marketverse and you'll be able to see your personalized portfolio being analyzed by Marketverse. I only had AMD. I sold most of my portfolio when it went all the way up. And now I'm cautious this week. From next week, I'll start investing just to test things out with the Marketverse features. But AMD, we are very bullish. In my watch list, I have all these. Palantir was in my watch list. It went crazy up. Alphabet, I'm very bullish on AI stocks. And then you have Marketverse recommendations. AMD is there. Amazon is there. We've been very bullish on Amazon as well. So Amazon's performance, if you see last whole week, has gotten back. They hit why we were suggesting, because it went all the way down to 211 from 234, and then there's a buy opportunity that is there. And that's why we're recommending. It's right now in the buy zone. So let's analyze Amazon through Iris. So I'm going to say price target. By the way, beyond even Iris experience, all you have to do is put the stock here and we'll analyze each and everything for you. And this is live. When we call agentic, this is what agentic means in real time. This agent's providing you as of today what really happened in insider trading. Event calendar on 4th August is hosting Amazon stock analyzing. There's a event, Amazon stock analyzing the drop. And so we capture all the key events that happen and bring that here. And then overall insider trading, this indicate a caution sentiment, but you see fundamentals are good. Amazon is in buy range. I think we should buy Amazon. It's 220, it went down, but let's see 5 days performance. So it was all the way up to 226, and even you see back, yeah, Amazon is a buy. And again, this is a long-term buy because we do have to analyze each and every aspect of this stock. Analyst ratings all positive, 265 right now. We are a little bit cautious on that. Current price is 222. 240, I think it's a buy. So what I'm going to do is the same way you can experience that everything from chat, I'm going to build a trading strategy for Amazon here. I want medium risk. I want long term, of course. Amazon is something which you have to do long term. And it's more fundamental driven because this goes in my bucket of long-term investment as Amazon is a big company. All you have to do is generate strategy. It's going to give you the strategy. Again, buy at 214. So it's telling me caution that not to buy right now. And let me analyze the graph, the chart, and see in the short term. Technical analysis is going to show you the very short term horizon. So short term, it's saying me buy at 223 and sell it at 230 because the stock is fluctuating, and it's going to tell me why. RSI is neutral, bullish, buy. It is a buy actually. Enter a position. This is again short term technical chart analysis with a stop loss of this, and you go sell it at 230. So let me execute, let me buy. So this is manual, this is Marketverse. For Marketverse, since I have no holdings, so I'm just going to be buying. Let's buy how much? Let's buy 5 of these stocks. 223, we can buy 10. And you review order, proceed. Your order has been placed successfully at